this game, and then afterwards put a barrier between two cardboard sheets as such. Cut out 2 circles within them and then keep it aside. Now put a container onto one of the sides. Now stick it on either end. Take the sheet and then stick it underneath this as well, and then afterwards connect the pieces as such. Now you must use the right sheets as such. As you can see, some of them are correct whereas some of them are not. Now take these clips and then these sticks on either end, and then use these pieces and then join it together, and then you may try to put as many balls as possible onto the other end. This is the objective of the game, to try to get as many balls as you can onto the other player's side. Now for this next game, all we'll need is a shoebox. Decorate it at the top, and then afterwards stick these 2 pieces at the top. Add these numbers on either end at the bottom. The child will be allowed to put the balls through it. Now take this other shoebox, add multiple butterflies onto it. Stick on these straws as such. Now in the holes that are present, put these earbuds through it that are colored. Next, take the side of the shoebox and then put more straws to it and then connect them. Add alphabets onto the other end of them and then add little chips. The child is made to put the respective chips into the respective holes accordingly as such. They may also match the colors on the side. This will be a multi-purpose game. Now next, take a white circular sheet and then on top of this, the black paper will be stuck onto it. Now using a marker, the child may make different shapes as such. Afterwards, add some water to it to allow it to spread. This will be a different form of art. Once it is spread all over, you may add some connecting lines at the bottom to make it look like a piece and some flowers. Thank you for watching.